Hello, AP Bio. Happy Friday. I hope you were able to get outside and enjoy some sunshine yesterday because it was beautiful. Um, all right, so we are wrapping up this little section on DNA replication and protein synthesis. So, what needs to be done to finish up? Okay, first up, when you finish your protein synthesis packet, that's just a little bit more on protein synthesis, and it starts to touch on mutations. And FYI, you will need to know those types of mutations for the quiz. Okay, so I'm talking like point insertion, deletion, frame shift, which can cause missense, nonsense, or silent mutations. Okay, all right. Then when you finish that, which needs to be done by Tuesday, please scan those to me. Okay. If any of this stuff, like scanning is best, but and you can do photos, just make sure they're clear. Sometimes it's really hard for me to see the photos depending. So just with both scans or photos, double check that there's something that I would be able to read. Now, if for some reason neither of those two work out, you could drop it off at the office, okay, and just send me a note. Now, I don't think they want to be overrun by stuff, so please try to scan or take pictures. But if something is just not working out, you can drop it off at the office, okay? I posted a quizzes this morning. It's actually a pretty good review, like of the type of questions you might see and like just the content that this quiz is going to be over, okay? Because DNA replication was a while ago. All right, so it'd be good to refresh that. All those different enzymes and things that help do that, okay? So think, oh my gosh, do I remember what like anti-parallel, semi-conservative, replication fork, single-stranded binding protein, ligase, primase, primer, DNA polymerase 1 and DNA polymerase 3, Okazaki fragments, etc. All right. And then protein synthesis was more recent. Okay, so finish that quizzes. That is also due, I think, by Monday, 6:30. You can double check on there. Okay, your notebook grade is going to be due by Tuesday. So another thing I know to scan or take pictures of and send me, and that would be 2 Bozeman biologies, a reading, and the concept map that is 2 pages. Okay. And then let's see, you just need to review, and we will have our quiz on Tuesday. I would like to have the quiz, and so I'd like you to post in the comments below if this is okay. I would like to have the quiz at 11 a.m., not p.m., 11 a.m. on Tuesday. I will send you the quiz or post it. I haven't decided what way exactly. And you will have 45 minutes to complete it and give it back to me. Okay, so that's how it's not the same, obviously, but that's how we're going to kind of run it. It's like, oh, we're going to give you an allotted amount of time to make sure that, you're not just sitting with a test for days researching and stuff, okay? So you have 45 minutes to complete that quiz at 11 a.m. on Tuesday. Tell me right away if that time is not going to work. And we can maybe plan a different time, or if it's just one of you, I might be able to work something out separate. But look on your calendars and comment today if you can on if that is going to be possible for you or not. Okay. Let's see. So just let me look at my list. Quizzes, notebook, protein synthesis worksheet, Quiz Tuesday, and that again is over DNA replication and protein synthesis. All right, so that's the plan for the next couple days, things to work on. Also, since we are definitely going into 2 more weeks of online schooling, I'm going to put some more hard copy things out today for AP Biology for the next 2 weeks. I can give you copies of things. I can scan things. But especially if you're going for another class already, or if you have to swing by for something, a few things are like pretty like big packets that would be awesome if you could pick up. Okay, so what you're comfortable with, what you can make happen, but it would be nice if at least a chunk of you could just pick up the work. It's going to be like note packet, handout, lab sheet. The lab, I'm still hoping that maybe we can come back and do the DNA replicate or DNA gel electrophoresis, crime scene investigation lab, and this PGLOW lab. So we're going to go through the beginning information. I think it's important to go through too, hoping that then we'll be set up to actually do it later this year. I'm getting less and less confident that that's going to happen, but I still want to talk about the process because we're basically making a GMO, and GMOs you hear about all the time. And so I think it's good for you to understand exactly what that means and what's possible through that. So look for those things at the table if you can get there. And my husband just pulled up in our scooter. Yay! So I get to take the first ride on the scooter of the year. Woo! All right. So have a great weekend and email me any questions. Please keep in touch. I'm around. All right. And I like hearing from you guys. Have a good one. Bye.